Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about installing packages using PIP. So firstly, what is PIP? PIP is Python's package installer. It lets us install and manage libraries from the Python package index. Basic commands. So use pip install package underscore name to install a package. Like for example, pip install numpy installs numpy. And how to uninstall these? To remove a package, type pip in uninstall package underscore name. Then this uninstalls your install command. Then these are some of the examples and tips. So here, always use a virtual environment to manage your project's packages and don't forget to update outdated packages. Thank you.